In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect fees on Pumpfun. If you want to redirect creator fees for a coin on Pumpfun, the process is straightforward, but there's one very important rule to understand before you do anything. Pumpfun only allows exactly one post-launch change to the fee distribution. That means once you make this update and confirm it, the fee wallet becomes permanently locked. So before submitting anything, make sure you're completely certain the new destination is correct. To get started, head over to Pumpfun and connect the Solana wallet that originally deployed the token. This part matters because the platform needs to verify that you are the creator who has permission to manage that coin's fee settings. If you connect a different wallet, you may not see the option to make changes. Once your wallet is connected, navigate to the page for the specific coin you launched. Make sure you're on the correct token page before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one project. Taking an extra moment here can help you avoid changing settings on the wrong coin. From the coins page, look for the fee configuration option or the edit settings button. This is where Pumpfun allows you to update the wallet that receives creator fees. Open that section carefully and review any notes or warnings shown on screen, since the platform may remind you that this change can only be made once. Next, enter the new wallet address where you want future fees to be sent. Be very careful when typing or pasting this address. It's a good idea to double check the full address character by character, because if the destination is wrong, you won't be able to fix it later through another redirect. After that, confirm and submit the transaction. Your wallet will likely ask you to approve the action. Once the transaction is approved and processed, the redirect is complete, and the fee address can no longer be changed again. There are also a few platform rules to keep in mind. Pumpfun's one-time lock applies to all deployers, so this is not something you can undo later. Also, if a coin was launched as a cashback coin where 100% of fees are redirected to traders, that setup is permanently locked from launch and cannot be switched back to a creator fee model. Finally, in cases where a developer has completely abandoned a coin, community members may be able to apply for a community takeover and request that fees be redirected through the official takeover process. And that's how to redirect fees on Pumpfun.